I'm working on my last baseboard for the yard, and here are my tools that I'm using. I'm going to do a little tutorial on the significant ones that I use and how I use them and why I think wiring is fun and relaxing. First thing you need are good tools. Second, comfortable chair. Third is a board on its back. And this is how much I've gotten done so far. Started out doing the AnyRail transfer, like in the previous videos, as well as laying the cork roadbed sheets that I'm going to use in my yard. Here is this is the DRS or DR4088 current sensor. Can't get them anymore. The DK518 is for the tortoise switches, and that's a pain in the butt to hook up. All right, I finished my wiring on the bottom of my last board for the ACA yard. This is the connection cable to the board that is behind my workbench. It'll connect in that corner over there. There's the terminal block for that. Right now it's carrying 12 volts DCC and two current sensor leads. I have all my tortoises wired up with frogs where required. The blue and yellow is the 12 volt DC, and the red and black is all DCC. There's the current sensor block for this board and the board I just showed you behind the TV. And those are all droppers to the yard tracks. Here's a set of, this is the drive module for the tortoises. And I was having a lot of trouble with it. Fortunately, I was able to find the firmware and get it uploaded and corrected my problem. It would switch through Bluetooth, but not from the command station or handheld, so that was kind of bad. This bundle of wire here goes to the similar module on this board here that has an additional three drops for tortoise switches. Here's my input power distribution. The red leads are for either DCC extension or frog power, and the black leads are DCC extensions or frog power also. So you can see here on this tortoise, I've got my 12 volts on my yellow and blue, got my frog power, and my DCC signal coming into one of the contacts on the tortoise. So the next step will be to lay it in place into this big hole and get it fitted up. Now I wanted to show you my work environment a little bit. So I've got this roll around toolbox, and up it has these wings that slide in and out. I got it from hey Train Freak, I got it from Northern Tools about 3 years ago. I keep all of my readily used tools in here, things that I reach for all the time. When I'm doing a job, I can set them out on these wings. I keep the big heavy tools inside, like my drill motors, my flashlight, drill bits, etc. In this top drawer, I keep a assortment of pliers, squares, strippers, work lights, all my hand tools that I use on my board. This drawer has a combination of electrical, track lane, tools, smaller tools, markers, my drill bit box, track alignment pins, drill index, you know, stuff that you need to keep it handy. There's some labels over there. Down underneath here is all my assortment of wire that I'm reaching for at this stage. There's a couple odds and ends in there. Bolt box, power supply, pocket hole bolts, signal wire, stuff like that. But the nice thing is you can roll it around to wherever you are working. Provides a nice work surface. If you need a little bigger work surface, you lay it out, pull it out, set something across the drawer, good to go. I find that very handy and comfortable. And also, as you can see, my board is at a work level that's conducive to doing good quality, tedious work. I'm not having to reach up under the board or figure all that stuff out. I can just work right up here on top, test it. I can power, I've got it connected to the previous board under there, so I can power everything up and test it out, and makes it very convenient. So look forward to some detailed techniques on how I do my wiring, what tools I use, and things like that. I'm going to do a standalone video on that. So next video will be flipping it over and putting the track in. So thanks for watching.